When we come to our winding treads or your flat landings, quarter landings, obviously your 2-tread kit does a standard tread and a riser. When you come to a winder, we're obviously going to have some shortages. You need more pieces. So this is where you buy a 1 meter square kit. It comes with 6 planks, and that means you can either do your square landing or you can add it on to your treads. So simply, you need to cut the extra additional tread pieces on your staircase. A little trick, when you get your 2-tread kits, you get a packing piece. This is brilliant for working out your lengths of what you need, so you're not cutting your actual material. You can practice on this, and also same with your little packing pieces. You can cut this, and this can work out angles for you, so you can get your lengths, you can get your angles and all that sort of stuff. So you obviously cut your extra pieces how you need them. As you can see, I've numbered all these 3, and that will stay together. So when you are gluing it together, you can stick it down as one piece and you literally slide it in. Don't forget, we're not worried about a gap down there, because when you put your riser piece in, which is what this infill is, when you put your riser piece in, you don't see any of it. It allows for expansion and also makes it easy coming in and out.